Good morning. Welcome to University Grant Commission, Human Resource Development Center, Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar, Marathwada University, Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar, and Malviya Mission Teacher Training Center. Online refresher course, Indian Knowledge System. My seminar topic is Indigenous Technology Used in Agriculture Pest Management. Myself, Dr. Rangrao Kaune, roll number 23. Indigenous technical knowledge used in the agriculture pest management. In past years, the farmers are used the number of plant materials to killing the insects as well as the number of parasites in the development in the natures. Their crop productivity is very highly in the environment. Presently, the number of agriculture developments they used for the chemical sites, then the large population of the insects are died. Then why they killing the insects? Other artificial technology. The previous knowledge of the Indian is technology for a rural development as well as tribes. They are developing their own technology for the control of the pest. Pesticides are the only control measures used by the major two of farmers for pest control since the invention of the DDT. However, in the recent years, everyone experiencing the harmful effects of the pesticide through the environmental pollutions. New pest outbreaks. If the technology developed from the pesticides, the insects are himself, their hormonal changes, they are not dies. But the pest management practices, indigenous technology is the common and local knowledge of the farmers or indigenous people being practiced over the years across the globe for pest management to solve day by day problems. Examples for some Indian technology system used in the insect pest management, the coconut buttermilk gold, Brahmastra, dusting of ash in sorghum, storage of pulses with the dried red chilies, sweet flags, red earth slurry, prevent the crickets attacks and calotrophic species with neem spray. In Gawa control pest, Rhinocarpus beetle traps made of castor cake and pineapple, tulsi trap for fruit flies, rat traps made for Glyceridia, calotrophics and salt kerosene in recent repellents. From the prehistoric agriculture to contemporary civilization agricultures, insect pests are regarded as the main biotic contributors in addition to disease and weeds in agri-horticultural productivity. Pesticides are only control measures used by the farmers, majority of farmers for pest control since innovation of insecticidal property of diphenyl trichloroethene, the DDT in 1939 to till the now. Indigenous technology knowledge refers to the truths of traditional old information that are specific to the certain culture or group are variably passed down from the generation to generations. Indian technical knowledge defined as the sum total knowledge and practices which are based on people accurately expressing the dealing with the situation and problems in various aspects of life, and such knowledge and the practice are special to a particular culture. In agriculture, for controlling and making the agriculture more productivity and durability for farmers by reducing insect in the infestation the crops. The IKS are divided into three groups: majority cultural practices, physical practices, and mechanical practices. And lastly, use of botanicals. Some traditional contemporary information relevant to after aforementioned categories are important for the addition of IPM technology. Cultural practice. The cultural practice measures include the field sanitation, selection of variety, quality of seeds, seed ingredient and fertilization, water management, crop rotation, planting of trap crops and hedgerows, companion planting and intercropping. Physical or mechanical controls. Physical control is based on the modification of physical factors in the environment to reduce or prevent the pest populations. For example, the use of the 1% activated clay or 1% vegetables oil has been shown in the successfully prevent the Calabrucus Chinese damage to stored pulses. Sun heat treatment of sorghum seeds for 60 seconds using a solar dryer kills rice weevils and red flower beetles without compromising the seed germinations. Following are the example of the pest-specific traps are indigenously made fruit flies traps. For fruit flies, the Decus species low-cost trap contains the 20 grams of osencentum leaves and extract, 100 ml of water and 0.5% carboniferous, 3 grams plus 0.5 gram of citric acid for keeping quality of extract. Place it in the coconut shell and shell hanged to the tree. 4 traps per tree. The fruit flies feed on extract and get killed. Rhinocorpus beetle crops. A mud pot with third-fourth of water and castor cake powder buried in the ground. The mouth of the pot should be leveled with soil. Smell of cake powder attract. Smell of the cake powder attract the beetle and fall into the pot. Gundi bug traps. The Gundi bug traps is the fresh nails or dead frog or crab fixed with bamboo sticks or placed with the jackfruits, sticks of banana leaf in rice field before the milking the stage. Rat traps. Place the fruits of velvet bean in the rat burrows that are open. When the rats come in contact with the hairy fruits causes irritation and discomfort. A mixture of cereals and grind leaves of Glycidia is allowed to ferment and it is useful to trap and kill the rat. Indigenous technology knowledge focus on the effective use of environmentally friendly resource and it is a socially acceptable, economically acceptable, sustainable. Traditional knowledge is at a risk for vanishing because to change the livelihood and the environment deteriorations. Thank you.